The ASUS TUF A15. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about unboxing the new gaming laptop, that is the ASUS TUF A15. If you live in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia, you can get this gaming laptop at Surya Sabah Shopping Mall, EWT store, and also at Karamunsin Complex, which is the name of the store is PC Image and also Top Macro. This is the laptop box, and this is the free bag from ASUS. The design of this laptop box is pretty simple. It's got the TUF Gaming and the brand name and also some honeycomb design. We're gonna open it now. This is the laptop. Some manuals are included in the box also. And I'm not sure what this is. This is the adapter. And the extension of the adapter. It's quite a waste of space here. And that's all. I'm gonna put this right down there first, and we're gonna go through the laptop. This is the ASUS TUF A15, a gaming laptop. As you can see at the back, it's a honeycomb design for the airflow. The screen is a full HD with 144 Hz, which is great for gaming. The top cover are plastic as well as the body. And I think that's one of the reasons why ASUS want to reduce the cost. They didn't use any aluminum or any steel. On the left side we have the internet, HDMI, 2 USB type A and 1 type C, and also the audio jack. On the right side you have the USB 2.0 type A. I really like the airflow design and the honeycomb design. The keyboard are also spacious, which is very comfortable to use. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for today's video, that is unboxing. If you like the video, please hit like and also comment on down below. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.